Welcome. Question number 39. A simple question, but with lot of concepts. I will tell you why concept. See, question first. Find axial forces in the members. Two questions are there. Take both independent. I'll make a note here. See, consider both questions independent. This reason I told you earlier. Okay, independent. See, EC, CD and AC, one group. Second group, AC, AD and BD. Roller here, hinge here, side load of 36, down 24, left 12, 50-50 degree angles. This is 4 meter. Okay. First step, calculation of support reaction. One small note in the class I will tell now. You write. See, before I start, you take a red color pen. One question is EC, ED, CD and AC. Okay, this one. Suppose, see, you are going to cut like this. Suppose you look the upper side or something like upper and left upper side. See, left and upper side. Left and upper side. Then support reactions are not required. You can skip support reaction. Directly you can start. See, consider left of XX, left and upper side. Upper side of XX. You need not find support reaction. Okay. But if you consider the lower side and or somewhat right side, you require reactions. Okay. Then, see, remove it here. Next members are AC, see here, AC, AD and BD. You will cut like this. You can look either upper side or lower side. Again here right. If you look upper side, see, support reactions are not required. But if you look the lower side, support reactions are required. Okay. Then, further note. Anyway, in the class, I am finding support reactions. Why? Because I am solving both the option. Once that side, once this side. Both I am solving. One more thing. For those who are more dedicated, I don't know how many are there, solve by method of joint. Answer I will give. I will enter in front of you as usual, directly using calculator without showing any calculation. It is my capacity or I will calculate. Don't worry. You get the answer. This is, see, this is not for method of sections. Just for those who are more dedicated. What you do? As soon as you get support reaction, you come to this sketch. This is the star sketch. Remember, this I told always, this is a star sketch. Someone will ask, what is star sketch? You are not, I will tell, you are not following what all I am telling. Suddenly you are coming to a class. So, if you do that way, what I can do? Star sketch. Okay. Then I will enter the answer here. As a exercise or more grip you can get. Okay. So, therefore, this portion you do not see. But one more thing is there. As we solve here, get the answer, we can check the answer. Because method of joint, I am giving answer for you. Okay, start. First, calculation of support reactions. A, hinged support, told endless number of times. Vertical, horizontal. This question, if somebody asks me to solve, I will take horizontal left side and I will observe the frame. I am 100% sure vertical reaction A is downwards. I am 100% sure. I will take downwards. But you do not do those things. That is extra imagination required. Depends on your capacity. So, as I told earlier, when you find support reaction, directions to be assumed. In case your assumption is wrong, negative sign will come. That will take care. That all you know it. So I will take VA up, HA right, V reaction at B roller, normal reaction RB is up VB. Okay. Start fast now. One sketch you write here. Make a note here. This sketch is also, right here, reference for, see, you write here, this sketch is also reference for method of sections. Okay. Because there is no star sketch. Okay, right here. VA, HA, VB, all over. Take moment about A. Minus VB into 3, and see, plus 36 into 4, plus 24 into, high school student will tell, this is 3 meter, this is 50 degree, 50 degree. So, when you take moment about A, 24 into this distance, exactly center here. So, if it is 3, it is 3 by 2 equal to 0. VB will come plus 60. Sigma V0 upward positive. Plus VA plus VB minus 24 equal to 0. Substitute for VB, whatever you got there, VA will come minus C. Suppose you make a mistake and forget the minus sign, gone case, minus 36. Sigma H0 plus HA plus 36 minus 12, 0, HA will come minus 24. Also, later you make a note. When you find force in AC, see, for these three members, angle is known there. But when you find AC, AD and BD, you require this angle. So do one thing. Now only mark that angle as theta. You mark that angle as theta. Okay. What all I tell, you should write it if you understand. Get theta 53.130 degrees. You get it. See, you get it. You get it. Over. Theta over. Oh, what is there? 4 by 3 tan inverse. Okay, now, one more note is there. Later, see, class, we may require this height h. See, there is one h here. One more h comes later. I will do one thing now. I will take this as h naught. One more h will come later. I will take h naught. Okay. H naught. There is a reason. Later, this is h naught. Okay. H naught. Because one more h is going to come. You may require this height. Why? I don't know. Actually, I know. You can either calculate it now only, or when the time comes, you calculate. So do one thing. Either you calculate now only, or later when the time comes. See, this h naught. When the time comes, you calculate. How to calculate? See here. I'll make a small note here. See, C point is here. See, this is E. Stop. Drop perpendicular. This is 1.5 meter. Why? See, 1.5 meter. This is 50 degrees. 50 degrees. And this is your h naught. Right here. What? Tan 50 equal to h naught by 1.5. Now, therefore, h naught equal to 1.5 into tan 50. Get that answer. Correct answer? More probably correct only. I'll check the answer. 1.5 into tan 50. Little accuracy, 1.7876 meter. Okay. Correctly show the calculation. See here, I have space problem. You have no space problem. Papers, non-stop you can write. Big sketch you can write. Okay, that also over. Now, immediately something I will tell once again, class. Class, just 1 minute now. I'll check the camera once because too much down I am coming. Okay, no problem. Today I made it a little wider one. Okay, class. Now, support reactions are over. Now we will start our question, method of joints. But people who are dedicated and want to learn more, let them first take a separate paper. For those who are dedicated, solve by method of joint. Okay. Method of joint is so easy, already over. You start wherever you want. I will give the answer here. .665 kilonewton. See, I am not in kilonewton because space is not there. All axial forces are in kilonewton. 15.665. This also 15.665. Why you don't bother? Why you don't? You calculate. Then I'll come here. Into, sorry, 15.665 into cos 50 is this side of 10 point something minus 36. 25.931 this way. 25.931. This is 12. I'll come here. $60. 60 point not 60. I know it is 60. Then 12 plus 60.8. 60. This also 60. What to do? Both came equal. I am helpless. This 60 is different. This 60 is different. Okay. 12. I'll check here, answer. 60 into cos 60 into 0.6 is 36. And then another 36 minus 12 is 24. Perfect. 60 into sin 60, 60 into sin theta is 48 plus, perfectly correct. 48 up, 36 down. Perfectly correct. Over. Never worry what I did. You solve usual procedure. You never go for shortcut all. Okay, now leave it. Start. First question. What they want? Act now. I will not tell too much of story. I told if you want to master right from beginning of method of sections. Lecture 26, 27, 28, 29, so many questions solved. What all I explained. Unless you go through all, if you have come here, high time, leave, go there, or don't continue my class. This, every class I am telling this one. Start. Consider section A, calculation of axial forces in members. See here. I'll put red color here. CE, then, no, not CE. ED, CD, and AC. These three members you want. Therefore, see. Cut. XX. Consider section XX cutting above three members. Okay. Now, two options are there for you. You can either look somewhat left side and upper and left side, see, this way. Or you can look down side and right side. Your choice. So, option actually looking that side, advantage is that easy one, and second one, if you are really doing that one, you need not find support reaction. Suppose the question is only to find these three, then look that side. For this question, support reaction is not required. Okay. Consider equilibrium of frame to left and upper side. See, this side, right here. E intact. I will write the name here. See, this is E, intact. C intact. This load is 36. That is 24. This is 1.5 meter, half of 3. This height you may require, I told you. Otherwise, leave it 1.7876 meter. Correct answer. Again, I'm getting something. What happens is number problem comes there. 7678 means 1.5 into tan 50. So correct, 1.7876. Okay, now see here. This side you write all the external forces. This side what you write? You write external forces only. People confuse or tell wrong thing. They will tell write the external forces and they mark it here. Technically they should not mark it here. The academic purpose I mark it there only. Why? There is not that much technically. If I tell all these things, students get confused. But when I teach systematically, see, after marking all the forces here, which member you are cutting, those forces actually you are right away from this one. See, that is left side forces. This from here you are right. These are also, remember, they are also external. They are not internal. People who tell these are internal, very sorry, they don't know the concept. Okay, leave it. Very sorry. Okay, start. P for ED, P for CD, P for CA. I am telling repeatedly, class after class, in method of section, better consider forces going away, outward. Okay, now do one thing. See, 1, 2, 3. Apply sigma m, sigma b, sigma h. First, sigma m 0. I already, see, go through all the classes. First, sigma m 0. Among the 3 unknowns here, 2 unknowns are meeting at C. Therefore, take moment about C. So, why C, I told in the class. This I have been telling from class after class. Okay, take moment. See here. PED into perpendicular distance. Oh, one problem is there. But I will do one thing now. People who find difficulty can do one thing. Instead of considering perpendicular distance, what you can do is, see here. PED force, you mark a point where a point lies within its line of action. Where, see, this point lies. There, see, one more thing forgotten here. This angle required for this member, I have not written. That angle is, see, 50 degrees. Okay, now, see, this PED is, see, this way, full length. One point, okay, E lies there, where at least any one point which lies in this line of action, that point you resolve here, see, horizontal component like this, vertical component like this. This is cos, this is sine. That is cos, this is sine. Make a note. Now do one thing, take moment. See, this component, PED cos 50, this component into this H naught, clockwise. And this component, PED sine 50, this component into 1.5, again clockwise. 24 also into 1.5 equal to 0, you will get the value of PED. Okay, one option. Or class. Instead of, you make a note here, this is by resolving. Suppose you are more technically sound, what you can do is, instead of resolving, what you can do, see here, same thing, alternate. Take moment about C. See, PED into perpendicular distance. So, from point C to this ED line of action, see, I will mark here only, you draw a perpendicular H, because this is actually 50 means 40, 50 degrees, so it will come somewhere here, out of scale. That perpendicular you call H. You call H, not this H. Then it is PED into directly H, no resolution. PED into H plus 24 into 1.5 plus, that's all, equal to 0. H will be 2.2981. Doubt comes, Sir, how to find H? Okay, do one thing. Where space is there, somewhere, I'll show the calculation. See, this is the point C. See here, I'll write here. This is the point C. Then, your, see, point C here, your PED is coming this way. See here, your PED is coming this way. PED. So, or 1 minute now, here space problem is there. Little more space required. Little more space required. I can mark there only. I have to extend this line. See here, extend this line, extend this line. Then this point will be what? No, that is actually problem. Okay, that point, I'll do it. That point is D point. See, this angle is 50 degrees. Okay, then see this triangle and see this distance is 3 meters. You can show it outside. Then you can do one thing. See, this is H, this is 50 degrees. Sine 50 equal to see, H, whatever is that perpendicular H divided by 3. That will give your H equal to, the perpendicular equal to 2.2981 meter. See, perpendicular here, continue this triangle. See here, which triangle? See here. This right angle triangle, perpendicular here. This is 3 meter. This is 50 degrees. This is H. Sine 50 equal to H divided by 3. You can do one thing, instead of writing here, show a separate sketch and mark it. Maybe if you want, do one thing. Once I finish explaining, I'll rub and show it, calculation. See, anyway, I will explain again. Okay. But substitute now, even then PED will come same answer. Okay. Now PED is over. Sigma V0, now nothing is there. See, unknown, minus PCA minus PED sin 50 minus 24 equal to 0. By this time, you know the value of PED. Substitute that PED here, you get PCA minus 12 kilonewton. Substitute. That you should do it. Sigma H equal to 0. Unknown is which one? This one. Plus PCD plus PED cos 50 plus 36 equal to 0. You know the value of PED already known just now. Substitute that value. PCD will come minus 25.931 kilonewton. So, now, then, therefore, now write last answer. Final answer. Axial force in which member? In the order. ED. Actual force in ED equal to PED. How much you got? Minus came, without minus, right? 15.665 kilonewton compression. This I will not explain because there is a limit for everything. Someone will tell, sir, why compression? I will tell, leave my class. Don't continue. You better study somewhere else by a better person than me. Okay. Axial force in CD, 25.931 kilonewton. Negative came, once again compression. Axial force in AC, minus 12. So 12 kilonewton. Once again compression. Now, check the answer. ED. Oh, yes. 15.665. CD. Yes. 25.931. AC. Yes. 12. Perfectly correct. Over. This over now. Now, I will go for second option now. 1 minute. Okay, I forgot now. Before I go to second option, I will do one thing. Something I promised you just now. Where is that eraser? Here. So 1 minute. I not rubbed here. Before I go to second option, see here. Before I go to second option, just now I told, instead of resolving, you can directly do PED into perpendicular distance. If confusion is there, see here. See, this is the point C. Then PED is like this. This is PED. From here, you are dropping a perpendicular, H. Okay, then, if I continue this one, somewhere here, your PED, see here, your PED will come to D point. Somewhere here will be D point, D. This is 3 meter. 3 meter. This angle is not, this is 90 degrees. This is 50 degrees. See here, this is 40 degrees. Be careful. See, this is 50 degrees. Therefore, now you can write, see, this is hypotenuse. Sine 50 equal to H divided by 3. Therefore, your H will come, how much I told? That H will come 2.2981 meter. I told already. So, what you do is, here you don't write all these things. Just to show a light perpendicular H, that's all. And calculation, show outside. Instead of spoiling, see, don't do all these things here. Don't do all these things. Just to mark perpendicular, calculation outside. Now, or I told you, those who find difficulty, do one thing, not required. H is not required. See, resolve into component, this cos into PED cos 50 into this height, PED sin 50 into 1.5. Some will tell, sir, that is the best one. Yes. Okay, done. Now, we finished by considering what? Left and upper side. Now I will rub it and change over to other option. See, question 1 only, see, option 2. Same question. Consider equilibrium of frame 2, somewhat right of, see, somewhat right of XX and not upper side, lower side. And lower side, see, right and lower side. Okay, I'll put the sketch. Why is, I can continue only. Why should I break the recording? 1 minute now. This all I'll remove. Yes, this I can remove. This I can remove. See. Okay. Here only I do it. Why unnecessary? Break. Lower side. Okay. See. But remember, make a note. If you are looking this side, support reactions are required. Okay. Start. Which is intact point now? Very easy actually. See now. Which is the intact point? A, B, D are intact. See. A here, face problem will come, little upper side and right. See. A, B and D. These are intact. A, B, D. Okay. This is A, B, D and this line will be there. See. Here, hinge support. Vertical upward reaction, not upward. See, 1 minute now. See. Very important. VA you took upward. It came minus 36. Therefore, your VA is downward. Now no minus now. 36 kilonewton. HA we took right side. Negative sign came. So left side HA of how much? 24 kilonewton. And this is the point A. This is the point B, where roller is there. See, roller support. Vertical reaction VB, you took upward, positive came, correct. VB is upward 60 kilonewton. Okay, then this distance is how much? 3 meter. Okay, then this height, if you want, it is 4 meter. Then, see, you are cutting here now, one force this side, see. One member goes this way. other member comes this way. One more here, see, here from A, because why you are cutting here, see, from A it is going up. See, this much you are writing this one and this one here. Everything assume what? Going away. Now it is called P, not CD. From here you are calling PDC. This is called PDC. That is not DE. This is DC, DE. Okay. ABCD problem. PDE. This is PDC. This is PAC. Okay. AC. Over. This is the section. Your section is here. Where is the section here? Red color. Okay. Red color. This is a section. See here. Okay. Now, see here. First, this angle required. This angle is 50 degrees. Yes, 50 degrees. Okay, now, there are 3 unknowns are here, of which A, B, this is B, this is D. Our force also is there. No, not there. D. Okay. Yes, okay. Now, among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are passing through point D. So, sigma m about D is 0. Very easy here. Clockwise positive. Take moment here. This into 0, this also into 0, even see this VB also into 0. Why? If we extend VB, line of action passes through D. That also 0. So what you get now? Therefore you get, 1 minute, you get here, plus PAC into 3, see, plus PAC into 3 plus 24 into this height 4, see, plus PAC into 3 plus 24 into, see, 24 into 4 minus 36 into 3, minus 36 into 3 equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PAC. 36 into 3 minus 24 into 4. Calculator is not on. 24 into 4 minus 36 into 3 is minus 12. Something wrong on me. 24 into 4, something wrong. If you take moment about this point, minus 36 into 3, then 20, what 24 into 4? What is this? What is this? See, what happened is I thought I am taking, yes, correct, moment about D, correct. Okay. PDC, okay, start. Plus PAC into 3 plus 24 into 4, 28 into 4, minus 36 into 3, anything else? 36 correct, 24 correct. See, see, what happened is, there is a force acting here. See, how much it is? 12 kilonewton. I am not getting the answer. I was wondering what happened. Okay, see, therefore, see, this into 0, this into 0, this also into 0, plus PAC into 3, plus 24 into 4, minus 36 into 3, plus 12 into 4. Actually, I was wondering what happened. I forgot to write this 12. Because I know the answer is what? I know the answer. It is 12 kilonewton here. Then how it is the wrong answer? Okay, 24 into 4, minus 36 into 3, plus 12 into 4, divided by 3. Answer is plus 12 kilonewton. Not plus, sorry, minus. Therefore, your PAC will come minus 12 kilonewton. Yes, minus 12. Then sigma V equal to 0, take upward positive. Plus PAC, unknown first, plus PDE into sin 50, sine 50 plus PAC plus PAC, this over, minus 36, then plus 60 equal to 0. You know the value of PAC, substitute that PAC, therefore you should do it now. See, now you, in the beginning all, I used to write calculation, substituting PAC equal to minus 12. Who is teaching, who is learning? You are learning, do all those things. So, substitute PAC minus 12. So, minus 12 minus 36 plus 60, answer is 12 divided by sine 50. Minus 15.665. Minus 15.665. I am not seeing there. There I am not seeing. Let me see later. Then, lastly, sigma h equal to 0. Take right side positive. See here. This minus PDC minus PDE cos 50 minus PDC minus PDE cos 50 minus 24 minus 12 equal to 0. By this time, you know the value of PDE. See, black right means known. Therefore, get the value of PDC. Whatever answer you got there, into cos 50, minus become plus, minus 24, minus 12. It comes to minus 25.931. Minus 25.931 kilonewton. Therefore, write the answer. Force in ED. ED is here, D. Oh, same answer. Right, once again right here. Force in CD. Yes. Minus came compression. Force in AC. Minus came compression. Perfectly correct. Okay, now question number 1 over. Now go to question number 2. Calculation of axial forces in the members AC, AD and BD by method of sections. Now do one thing. If you want to thoroughly understand, you remove this XX, see, reference sketch. You write once again if you want to really understand. Otherwise, in a single sketch, multiple section means confusion. When you, if it's the examination, okay. So, consider section XX, cutting above 3 members. Directly cut here, see. Directly cut. Cut XX. Now, consider either upper side or lower side. Now, consider equilibrium of the frame to option 1. See, option 1 to upper side of XX. Make a note. If you consider to upper side of XX, there is no need of support reactions. Advantage. Okay. I am not taking any break now. Next I will take a small break. I will finish this one now. See. Start. Upper side. So, see here. CDE intact. Space problem, I write. No, space problem is not there. Okay. See, 24 kilonewton. Then 36 kilonewton. Then this is pin. This is E. This is D. This is C. Okay. And you may require this height. Write the height there. H0. That H0. You may require. No, H0 is not required. Okay. If requirement is there, write it. Okay. Now, next, see here. This member goes partially here. This will come partial to the same. This also goes partially down. This will also partially come this here. Section is like this. XX. Now, outward going force. Force for, see, we are considering what? Equilibrium of upper side. So, CA, force for DA, force for DB. This all I told thousands times. Okay. And for this inclined force, angle is somewhere here, 53.13 degrees. 13 degrees. And, okay, now, see here. Among the three forces, these two forces, two unknowns are meeting at D. So, write sigma m about T equal to 0. YD, you write the note, YD. Okay, now start. When you take moment about this point, see here. This into 0, even 36 also into 0. Minus PCA into, oh, you require this total length here. This length is 3 meter. You can write here, 3 meter. Okay, see. Minus PCA into 3 minus PCA into what? 3. See here. Minus PCA into 3. Again, minus 24 into, if this is 3, see, moment about this point. 24 into this half, see, this force is this way. From here to up here is 3 by 2. High school mathematics equal to 0. Therefore, you get the value of PCA. 24 into 1.5 divided by 3 is minus 12 will come. You get minus 12 kilonewton. Sigma H equal to 0. Take right side, sorry, sigma V0. Okay, next last is sigma H. Anything first, no problem. Sigma V0 upward positive. See here. Unknown first. Minus PDB minus PDA sin 53.13 minus PCA minus 24 equal to 0. See, here PCA is known. Substitute minus 12, but still two unknowns are there. So call this as equation number 1. Okay, leave it. Sigma H equal to 0. Right side positive. Minus PDA, unknown first, PDA cos 53.13 plus 36 equal to 0. Therefore, your PDA will come 36 by cos 60. 36 divided by 0.6. 60 kilonewton plus 60 kilonewton will come. Now do one thing. Substitute in 1. Substitute in 1 here. See, 1. Everything is known. Minus PDB, minus PDA is minus 60 into sine of that angle, minus 24. It will come. What is the calculation? Something wrong there. 60 into sine theta. Okay, that is into minus 1. Okay. Then minus 24. 72. Something wrong. 1 minute. Oh, see. 24 is correct. What is wrong? Minus PDA, everything is correct so far. See, minus 12 is correct. Which one? CA minus 12 is correct. Then PDA plus 60 also is correct. Tension. Then minus PDA, then minus PDB minus PDA sine 53.13. Oh, I am not dividing by sine theta. Okay. Minus PDB. Where is PDB? So you are getting directly minus PDB. So PDA is 60. 60 into 0.8 plus 24 is 72. How possible? PDA, where is PDA? 60. 60 correct? 60 into 0.8. Oh, sorry, one more is there. PCA is, I am not seeing that number. Okay. I am not seeing that number. Okay, correct. Late night, it happens. See, minus PDA is 60. Minus 60 into sine of that one equal to minus 24. Then minus PCA. PCA is minus 12. So minus of, that is plus 12 it becomes. Plus 12 is minus 60. That is PDA is plus 60. What you get? You substituting, you will get which one? One more. P, which comes, PDA comes. PDA over, we get PDB. PDB will come minus 60. Where is PDB here? PDB here is here. See this one. It comes to minus 60. Because when I calculate, it comes minus is minus 1, minus 60 kilometers. Sometime it happens, see. But see, this is all writing problem. See how confident I was doing there. Did I get confusion? Because here, little late night now, it happens. Minus it. Okay, write the answer now. Therefore, axial force in, which member? In the order, AC, axial force in AD and axial force in BD equal to AC, CA, minus 12. So, 12 kilonewton compression. Yes. Axial force in AD means DA, 60 kilonewton tension. Which one? DA. AD. Oh, yes. Lastly, DB, 60 kilonewton compression. Yes. Okay, now, same question. Lastly, I will conclude now by option 2. That's why I told this question, simple question, but with a lot of concept. This all I am doing for your knowledge. You should know it. This much questions nobody will do. I am so sure nowhere you can find this many number of questions. So option 2, consider equilibrium of the frame to not upper side to lower side. To lower side of XX. I don't remember now whether I have broken the recording or not, because I have to break once, because when I upload, this is in mobile now. If I break, I have to join it by some app where one option is there, HD, some ultra HD is there, high quality comes there. So for that purpose, single stretch I cannot do. Anyway, you can't make out. It will join immediately. So therefore I will break now. Anyway, when I break anyway, I will write and then explain to save the time. I wrote everything. See, consider equilibrium to what? Lower side. See here. VA up you have taken negative came sign, down 36. HA right is left 24. VB is 60. This force, chance of forgetting, 12. Force for AC, force for AD, force for BD. Okay, now nothing is there. Among the 3 unknowns, 2 unknowns are meeting at A. So take moment about A. Why A? I explained so many times. Minus PBD, see, when you take moment about A, PAD into 0, PAC 0, 24 0, 36 0, even that 12 also into 0. So minus PBD into 3 minus 60 into 3 equal to 0. PBD will come minus 60. Sigma V0 plus PAC plus PAD sin 53.13 plus PBD minus 36 plus 60 equal to 0. Okay, equation number 1. But remember, PBD is known for you already. Leave it. Still two unknowns are there. Sigma H0 plus PAD cos minus 24 minus 12 equal to 0. PAD will come plus 60 kilonewton. Then substitute in the 1. PAD just now you got and PBD already got. Substitute, simplify. PAC will come minus 12 kilonewton. Therefore, axial force in AC 12 kilonewton. Compression. Axial force in AD 60 kilonewton tension. Yes. Axial force in BD 60 kilonewton compression. So we solve the question. See, 2 questions solved. Each question, once you took upper side, once you took lower side, answer came correct. Both questions, 4 times you solved. And for those who are dedicated, I gave answer by method of joint, directly using calculator. Again tallying. So this will show you, if you show dedication and hard work and concentrate, you can understand tremendously and reach high level. In spite of I telling all these things, I know what is the result. Maybe there are people who are interested. For them I am taking class. Okay, now method of sections, further I may take another 5 or 6 classes still, because lot of questions are there. Once I take another 5 or 6 classes for method of sections, then I will continue exercise questions. Directly question with answer. No hint, nothing. Maybe reaction all I may tell, but I won't show that. I will not show any calculation, because this much coverage is done. If you refer all the questions, exercises questions, remember, will be easier one. Not big frames, easy frames or medium type, not too much of load. Minimum, how they give in examination, that type will be exercise questions. Okay. Now everything is okay. Thoroughly study. We will meet in the next class. Thank you.